What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're going to go over Jasmine Coin, which is down 8.1% at 2.3 cents. If you watched yesterday's video, I did join the Jasmy crew. I own a pretty decent sized bag of Jasmy. I unloaded a clip on it around 2.5. So I'm pretty solid at 2.5. So I am down right now, but I'm not sweating it at all. Indicators are looking solid. We went over it yesterday. The long-term time frame is looking massively bullish. The long-term massive cup and handles looking bullish. So inner swing, this is why you don't check your portfolio every single day. I know it's hard. It's like a poison, constantly checking your portfolio. It will recover, in my personal opinion. And I think this thing will easily see some massive gains, hence why I unloaded such a large clip on it. So we are down 8.13% at 2.3 cents today. Volume is pretty good. 65 million market cap. We're back above $1 billion. So as long as we stay above $1 billion, that's fantastic. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everybody, let's look at Jasmy right here. So you can already see on the day chart the large cup and handle for me, but it looks a lot better on the weekly. It looks a lot prettier on the weekly. This giant cup and handle pattern, guys. If you don't know what a cup and handle pattern is, go to Google and type it in. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, I see it. I see the cup and handle. And then it's going to be massive. So if we look at all the general indicators, we went over it yesterday. I'm not going to do a huge spiel on it, but the day chart, yes, we're seeing a retrace right now. I'm not too worried about it. You can see the MACD is, we did have a little fake out today, but the overall momentum is weakening. The overall bearish momentum is weakening. We've pretty much been bearish since December 13th on Jasmy, and we haven't capitulated. We've just been consolidating, slowly dropping. So I'm not worried about this falling off the table whatsoever. RSI is looking decent. You can see we are still tailing back down. There is the possibility of the RSI going lower, which it is what it is. If it goes down here, I'll pick some up, more up at around 36. That is the general area where we see bounces from on Jasmy, going all the way back to December 2022. We rarely break below that general level right there. So that's an area to keep an eye on. Now, the area that we're currently at, if I draw a horizontal line, you can see we do have a lot of confluence around this as support as well. So we're kind of entering a support channel here for Jasmy. So a support channel for Jasmy, is a good thing. It's a good thing, man. We've been pretty much bouncing the support channel since February 2024. It's insane. But what I really want to focus on here is the prior highs that we experienced in March of 2022. You can see this is kind of when we first came out on Coinbase right here, the price at about 5 cents. So 5 cents is the moon line for Jasmy. It's the line in the sand. We get over 5 cents, that's when Jasmy is going to start running very, very parabolically. And we are on the cusp of getting there. I know it doesn't seem like it today, but go outside, touch grass. If you're somewhere where it's snowing like it here in Canada, go play in the snow. But overall, the day chart doesn't look horrible, guys. The stock RSI is completely reset. How long can we stay down here on the stock RSI? You rarely stay down here on the stock RSI. You can see on the day chart, you normally see V-shaped bottom, V-shaped bottom, V-shaped bottom, and we are down here at ground floor for the stock RSI. So there's really nowhere lower for this to go on the stock RSI. Now, if we draw a horizontal support for Jasmy as well on the WTX, you can see the general bouncing of this area on the WTX. So there is a chance that this could be a little bit of a shakeout right now. I know if we draw the horizontal line at the prior resistance areas where we're currently at, you can see we do have a lot of prior resistance at about this 2.325 area. That's why I'm so I'm so hard on 2.5, is because 2.5 was the wick. So the 2.5 was a safe play. Could I put a buy order at 2.3?